You probably wonder, what are pastry blenders and why should you have one in the kitchen? Well, pastry blenders are rather simple handheld kitchen tools, yet highly useful. Pastry blenders are used to cut buttery dough into smaller pieces, suitable for making pie crusts, croissants and similar pastry that requires a bit more detail to it. But why should you choose pastry blenders over things like knives? Pastry blenders are simply better, safer and less time-consuming than regular knives, yet pastry blenders are as easy to clean as regular knives.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best pastry blender. So let's get started. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter Set. The Spring Chef Dough Blender and Bench Scraper are here together in this very useful set. Each tool is manufactured to the high Spring Chef standard, with sturdy stainless steel blades that make the work easy and rubber handles for ease of use. The bench scraper has inch measurements for your use along the beveled edge of the blade and an ergonomically designed handle. The set comes with a lifetime warranty and is dishwasher safe. Number 4. Spring Chef Large Dough Blender. This is the larger size of our recommended best overall dough blender with all the same features. It's manufactured for either the professional or the home cook, has 5 strong stainless steel blades, features a comfortable rubber handle, is dishwasher safe, and has a lifetime warranty. This larger size dough blender has 2 benefits. It can be used for larger batches of dough, and it can be used by people with large hands much more comfortably than the standard size tool. Number 3. Gorilla Grip Dough and Pastry Blender. Most of the recipes you'll find online for homemade pasta dough advise using a food processor or an electric mixer, but if you have an interest in authentic foods made by the original method, making pasta by hand is truly rewarding. You start by making a well in the center of the flour and putting eggs into it, and then gradually adding the flour to the eggs by stirring in an outward-reaching circle. Then you begin the process of blending the dough into a ball, and this is where this tool can help. Instead of using your own hand power, the dough blender does the job. Built of stainless steel with a rubber handle, this dough blender's 5 blades are heavy enough to handle tough jobs. Added bonus, it's available in 8 different colors. It is dishwasher safe too. Number 2. Fox Run Wire Pastry Blender. Wire blade pastry blenders are best used for small batches of quick breads or doughs where the ingredients aren't too challenging or difficult to blend. This one has 5 strong stainless steel wires with a wooden handle. The design includes a stainless steel thumb rest on one side of the handle, which allows the user to increase the level of strength being applied to the dough. The size of this dough blender is slightly larger than the average, which makes it suitable for all hand sizes, including large. It should be hand-washed for longer life. Number 1. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Dough Blender. This dough blender is getting a lot of buzz, and with good reason. Made by Spring Chef, a small but growing company in Dallas, Texas, it's been manufactured to be used by both professional and home cooks. 5 sturdy stainless steel blades make easy work of your kitchen tasks, and the rubber handle has enough give to make it more comfortable for use than a stainless steel or plastic handle. This size is perfect if you have small or medium-sized hands. This dough blender has a lifetime warranty, is dishwasher safe, and is a great tool to have for all levels of cooks. That was our list of the top 5 best pastry blender just for you.